In the lesson number 4, we are going to discuss a very important point. That is, we have many keys laid out on the keyboard, right? At least we have 61 keys if you have a 5-octave keyboard. Now, as we discussed earlier, all these different octaves are the repetition of same keys, like the first octave as C, D, F, G, A, B, second octave as C, D, F, G, A, B, third also has the same keys, fourth and fifth as well are having the same keys, C, D, F, G, A, B are repeated. Let us say we played a melodic line which includes the notes of third and fourth octave both. How do we differentiate the notes between the third and fourth octave? That is what we are going to learn in this lesson number 4. This is called as Scientific Pitch Notation System or SPN. Earlier, when we were using the letter note system, people would employ different ideas. Even today, some people employ or they use different notation system. Like for third octave, they use nothing, like only the notes. For the fourth octave, they put dots above. For the fifth octave, they put stars above. Likewise, for the lower octave, they put dots below. And for the first octave, they put stars below. And there are different styles of writing notation like this, which are different in different places. To solve this problem, some of the musicians and teachers got together and they introduced SPN or Scientific Pitch Notation System. Scientific Pitch Notation System easily tells you, give a number for each octave. For example, for the first octave note, give the number 1. For the second, 2. Third octave, 3. Fourth octave, 4. And fifth octave, 5. In your notes, you can see there are 5 octaves, first, second, third, and fourth and fifth octave. As you go further, it says give the numbers for each octave. Finally, when you come to the third image, you can see each note is given a number. For example, first octave, C1, D1, E1, F1, G1, A1, B1. Second octave, C2, D2, E2, F2, G2, A2 and B2. Similarly, third octave, C3, D3, E3, F3, G3, A3 and B3. Fourth octave will have C4, D4, E4, A4, G4 and B4. And fifth octave will have C5, D5, E5, F5, G5, A5 and B5. Okay. Giving the numbers like this, it is very clear which octave you need to play the melody in. For example, if you have to move from third octave to the fourth octave in the melody, it's very easy. It would use 3 and 4 numbers with the notes. Okay, let us learn and apply the SPN with the song Are You Sleeping? Are You Sleeping uses the SPN. You can see the notes are already having the numbers. You also observe the first 4 lines of the melody is having the third octave, whereas the last line, fifth line, is also using a second octave, G2. Please observe that. So let us see how to play this. C, D, E, C, C, D, E, C, E, F, G, E, F, G, G, A, G, F, E, C, G, A, G, F, E, C. Now I am also moving to the second octave. C, G, C, C, G, C. Let me play this now with the lyrics. Also start observing that as per the melody, my hand positions are also changing. This is quite common. The first 3 songs we played was almost in the same position. Whereas now slowly we are shifting our hand position. From C position, I came to D position. For the last line, I came to G position. Thumb is on G. Observe. We also have to learn to make small shifts as the melody moves. Let us play it with the lyrics. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Now I am changing the position, going to the second octave, G position. ding dong bell, ding dong bell. You can see in this song that we are using both the third octave and second octave notes, and the numbers are going to help us identify which octave notes we have to be playing. Okay, so now let us move on further, and when we move on further, we are having technical work. Technical work consists of scales and chords. Scales are used to construct melodies or the tunes of the songs, and that's why going to the root of melodies is scales. Chords are notes played together, which is useful for us to bring in the harmony. So here we are laying a small foundation for your next part, which is harmony, using the technical work. So technical work means strengthening our foundations for playing songs using different chords and different elements. Now let us start with the scales. What is a scale? A scale is a group of relative notes which are played in ascending, that is going up, and descending order. From these scales, the songs are produced or composed. So today we are going to learn our first scale, which is called as C major scale. Okay, all the songs that we are playing right now is all coming from this scale. After you play the scale, you'll understand it. So a scale has notes which are played in ascending and descending order. The numbers below, you can see the top numbers are for the finger numbers of right hand. The below number, the bottom number, is for the finger numbers for left hand. So let me start by playing the C major scale. The C major scale: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Coming back: C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Observe the finger numbers. After I play 1, 2, 3, I am going to take my thumb below the third finger and play F. Okay, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. While descending, C, B, A, G, F. Now I am going to take my third finger and play above the thumb, E, D, C. Let me play that again for you. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. While you are playing it, play it slower. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. C major scale played on the right hand. Now let us go and play that on the left hand as well. The finger numbers are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. C, D, E, F, G. Now take your third finger above thumb. A, B, C. Descending, C, B, A. Now take your thumb below third finger. G, F, E, D, C. Let me play that again for you. C, D, E, F, G. Thumb, third finger above thumb. A, B, C. While descending, C, B, A. Now take your thumb below third finger. G, F, E, D, C. So this is the C major scale from which all the songs now presently you are playing is composed. Now go ahead and practice and learn to play the scales. After the scale, we are also going to learn the chords. What are chords? When 2 or 3 or more notes are played together simultaneously, they form chords, and this is the beginning of the harmony. Harmony means 2 or more notes played together in music. So if I play 2 notes or 3 notes or 4 notes, this creates harmony. Okay, now chords means 2 or more notes played together, and these chords are used to enhance the melody. So let us learn the first few chords. The first 4 chords that we are going to learn are C major, A minor, F major and G major. There are 2 types of chords which are basic and common. The first one is called as major chords, the second one is called as minor chords. If you see only the capital letter, that is a major chord. If you see a capital letter with a small hem, that is the symbol for minor chords. There are two different types of chords. Let us first learn the C major chord. The C major chord is made up of the notes C, E and G, but you need to play them together. When you play them together, that becomes C major chord, C major chord. Then A minor chord. A, C, E played together makes A minor chord. The third one is F major, F, A and C played together makes F major chord. Finally, G, B, D played together makes G major chord. So we have 3 major chords and 1 minor chord. Altogether 4 chords to learn now. So now let us play that on the left hand, because usually we play the chords on the left hand. Let's play the C major chord together. C, E, G, C major. A, C, E together, A minor. Then we have F major, F, A, C. Finally, we have G major. Now to practice this, we are going to put this with an exercise. You can see the exercise given there down. C, A minor, F, G. The C main first chord says you play the chord, and the 3 dots following that says repeat it 3 times. Altogether 4 times. And repeat the same thing for A minor, F and G. Let us put that together. You will understand when you see it practically, me playing it. Let us start. C, next is A minor, 3, 4, then F, 2, 3, finally G, 1, 2, 3, 4, keep repeating. C, 2, 3, 4, next A minor, 2, 3, 4, next F, 2, 3, 4, and then G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in this section we have learnt the C major scale and the 4 chords. This will become like a foundation for you to get started with your second part, harmony, when you put the melody and harmony together. So go ahead, practice and learn the C major scale and the 4 chords you have seen now.